Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Tess Sanchin returns to the booth. The artiste made this simple post on Instagram with the caption, "Hello old friend, let's see how this goes." Tess Sanchin dusted off the vocal cords for Not Nice's project We Are and the Kevin Downswell remix of Stronger.
You're my sister, my brother.
The Songbirds fans, however, are on edge for a new single from the artiste after waiting for 5 years. Tessan's last single, Fire, was released back in 2015. It failed to chart, and the album Count on My Love a year earlier reached number 41 in the US. Tess Sanchin was thrown into the spotlight globally after winning The Voice as part of Adam Levine's team back in 2013. Now, Fame Frequency was pure musical magic over the weekend. Fireworks saw famed DJs Narity and Arif Super Cool Cooper, along with hits DJs Roderick and Xavier, delivering as promised a cosmopolitan mix of music.
He's from Auntie Jenny, so I have to give it back on Monday. But listen, it's blazing once again, yo. It was musical fireworks.
Said have fun, they said celebrate, and we made sure everybody enjoyed themselves. I had fun, it was a good look, I enjoyed it, and yeah, I hope everybody tunes in next week and we're there again.
Fireworks was amazing. When you see the shoes them come off, you know say the thing turn up to a next level. I don't know how we're going to outdo ourselves next week, but soca and dancehall together, I know we're going to like ram the whole place. See? So come out early and make sure you stay with the Fame Frequency series, right? You remember, keep it locked.
Fame Frequency continues this weekend with Soca versus Dancehall. That's it for E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.